a Falmouth on the motorcycle.
Take it down.
Yes,
Take it down.
Welcome to Falmouth, everybody. This is Falmouth Market. We're heading out in the road now. Yeah? So, vamos, vamos, vamos. Vamos todos, everybody. All the new people here, I'm traveling to all parishes of Jamaica. Yeah? Started in Portland. I made it on the north coast all the way now to Falmouth. And next stop is going to be Montego Bay, the parish of St. James. Leave some gifts in our chat too. Zane, tap the screen, share the live, all of these things, because I can't really pay attention to the live. I can't see the screen. I don't know what is going on. You hear that? You ever see Spider-Man and Falmouth Market? Me never see myself here either. I first me I see myself here. Yeah. Yeah, you're right, it's true. Alright, let's go. Easy. Slow. Pick up myself. Easy, tiger style, man. There. We not do the first flip for the day yet, but it soon happen. You're going warm, is it? You're going warm. You're warm up myself. First one that PD enough. You get the first one. Yeah, me J. You know I'm a testing machine. Yeah, give me a test of 5. Then I Falmouth on the motorcycle, you see it? Outside, you see it? Brake the on the shadow brake. Yeah, me J. Respect, yeah. There you go, myself.
More good, yeah.
Respect. There you go.
Yeah, talent.
That is it, my G.
Shower, respect.
Up.
Hold up, Spider-Man. One more. One more.
Oh, easy now. Jamaica, stop. I'm look for myself. Oh, look. What is? What is it? Champions? That's your name? Well, I don't know where that's your name, but yeah. No, the whole complex just so. I don't know where name, but where they are one place. Champion Plaza? Alright, Champion Plaza, them say it name. That's where I'm at right now, yeah? Okay. Anansi-Man, you know. Yeah. Up top. Portland, St. Mary, St. Ann, now we're there, Falmouth. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Our bodyguard, they active. Yeah, me J. Up. Me there on the tour, you know? Yeah. Up. Well on, I wish part the, I think me did come here so one time and one bus park there. Where they? Right. Around here, so. Ah, we have got a bus park.
TikTok live follow me on TikTok and Harry _ Zona.
Badness of good.
My name is
Hey, I so much car there in place. Everybody reach out. Everybody have car. Watch car. Every angle me turn, me see car. Watch out. Me not got nowhere else and see too much car. Come on, everybody drive, yes, man. I want to listen for the kids. What do I have to say to the kids? Be confident. Yeah. Be confident. Do what you have to do. Do what you want to do. That's my thing. Anyways, this is the bus park. Yeah. Whoop, 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 whoop. Usain! Watch it. Oh. But they're everywhere. We got everywhere. Jamaica, finish. And I believe. What's that about it?
Hey! What's the next one now?
Yeah. I have about one more flick for do for you there, so I have to see up some. I'm tired today still I don't even know how to do this today, I'm not even there. But I saw you go. I'm black Anya. I say, I know Spanish, you know, mom. Habla Espanol. She don't know some know Spanish. How what she think? I know 5 languages, bro, God. I catch heart attack, man. Now I catch heart attack. I slow enough, if slow down, instead of speed up. If you speed up, that means you're there in front of the camera. If you slow down, the camera pass you. Come like Falmouth done so. I'm going to see what I'm going around after. Say Falmouth done. Everybody, tap the screen, share the live in the meantime. I don't know what's going on, but we're there Falmouth. I don't know. We're just walking the place. So some of you is the first time seeing Falmouth. Same for me. I don't know. Hear the dog? I must be I hear that one. I must be I hear that one there still. Bombastic. Side eye. I'm not doing that. But oh. Sit now. That's it. Ready? Yes, it. It's too up, man. It's too up. Go away. Go away. I may go far. Oh. Like Falmouth done here now. Nothing not done here, so. I may see a stretch. I go so like, it will go straight to Montego Bay. This look like a mobile to carry, you know. We are not going to walk to Montego Bay, so here what we are going to do. We're going to turn back. Yeah, we are going back. Quarter square. Up. Alright. Up. Jaja God. Up. Hello. Yeah. Falmouth chicken. Falmouth chicken. A somersault. I haven't heard it called that name in a long time. I haven't heard somebody say somersault in a long time. Too reach up the man. I Parish that I can't go. Can't go no. If one of them now work. I don't know what go on. Hey. Well, when me out of costume. Put that sack dog. I'm me a tricks in the daddy. What go on, boss? Active.
Every time you out.
First me actually them place here, you know. So look, I probably won't come back here again. So. See boss, yeah.
Watch on the
So this is Usain Bolt Parish. I pull him boat. I boat, you know.
Mark, set, go. Jamaica Spider-Man on the loose.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm in the breakers, but they up that DJ, the toes, the up on Jamaica, I swear. Ready? Fast on that. You need to do that way to paralyze you. Fast on that.
Active people, put them at my mark. I first knock all them places right now. Falmouth. That's the one beer. Yeah. See it there? Juice man also. I just saw it there. Zane. Yeah. Give me a cheer. Zane. See that? Hello.
I follow you on TikTok.
You do? I'll say hello to your TikTok family. Yeah. Big up yourself. What? Yeah, the man. Up. A JPS job that, yeah. JPS climb pole. Me not climb pole. Me just click up and down. Come like you watch cartoon right now. Like cartoon this in a real life, you know. You know see it? Oh. Yes, it.
The one. Yeah, original.
It's the ID.
Yeah,
You get it? Oh, so you ID.
Yeah.
Okay. One me I give you. Peter, you ready? You ready? You have to do it, you know. You have to do it, you know. If me do it, you have to do it. Alright. Yeah. Come here. Wow, no. Innocent. Come now. Yeah. Yes, oh, that is it, my dear. Master, which one is your specialty? You do that like how me do it? Web status? Yeah. You do one on land, like superhero landing. See? Yeah, ready? 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Okay. Big up yourself. Yeah, my dear. Yeah. Active. You see that sign there up there, sir? You never see me again. Big up, yeah. It's like a movie, daddy. Eh? No, we have to get string for tie we up for that one day. We have a string of it tie we up for that. Hey, easy. Hey. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, big up for respect, you know. Okay. Me used to, yeah. Yeah, me used to live on the hotel side. Yeah. I think me just do like a tour every
Jamaica side, man.
Yeah, what I say, what? Two of them, voila. Them, you know, hey. Oh. All right. Oh. Yeah, me too. Give one. Big man. Big man. That you're professional here. Yo, a years me I do this. Can't drop me that. Yeah, it's like a movie out here. Yeah. 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 Yeah, man, we do it. You want to take it for you, you can't take it for you. Up. Come here, what? Let me just walk here, boy. Yeah, hey. Hey. Everywhere me I go, they think I joke me did I make a serious thing. A cobweb, boy, your dog say cobweb. Okay. Alright dog, then there so, how go on? In the day on so. Yo, tell him to give me something. Hey, everybody said do it in our chat. You must give me something. At least one. If I would all the way, you saw not give me nothing. No, it can't work. You must give me something. What want to say? Say do it. Yeah, man. Power. Now watch care them, man. You must give me something to them, man. Yeah, ain't no reach up. Hey. Yeah. And give me something still. And give me something. We can't. Yeah, give me something for two, man. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh, I said, Nick, he might give me something to you now. He not give me something to you now. Make him give me something. See it, one in a guys. Who like it of them skill, you know. Watch out. Yeah. I want two, no man. Man, them skill. Spider, my name. Already, you know. Oh, dead boy. I don't do too much. I have injury too, you know. All we have injury, you know. Do it in our chat, guys. Type do it. One more start. Him have to give you one more. Let me take off my mask. Yes, you know, man. You do it still, man. I'm not kill you. I'm not injure you. Hold on, man. I forgot. No, guys, cameraman. Guys, cameraman. Everybody skill, you know. Take this from him. Even the cameraman. Everybody with power with skill. Watch out now. Hold on. Oh. What's it? All the cameraman. What's it? Cameraman. You know, better give it 2 years. Yo, may I pressure him. He better give it 2 years flare. Give it 2 years flare. Take that from him. Cause cameraman skill too, you know. Watch the cameraman, guys. Hold on. Watch the cameraman or cameraman skill. You never believe this, you know. Watch this. Everybody's skill. That's it. Hey, how are you doing? I test. Hey. Yeah. Cameraman skill. Guys. Everybody got skills. Let me talk to TikTok. TikTok, let me have a word with you. So, we want to see cameraman do another style, right? Say do it again. Let me see how much people say do it again. Cameraman have to give you some more style and me I will go into some more too. Zin? Yeah. Zin? Let's go. Wait, black flick. You ready? You ready? Why not? Hindi ka. Hey. Yako. Yes, ma'am. Yes, me I match. Yes, me I match. Yes, see free. She know I chicken out. Yeah. Yeah, the man. Yeah.
What is that?
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Oh, I just want. Oh.
Amber skatering, Endasi, Amber skatering.
I have to say it. People there, about 500 people there.
Yeah,
Just tell
man.
them.
Spider-Man, we are hang out with Chef Amber, right? At
Yeah.
Amber's, we say the food is nice and the price is right.
That is it.
Anything you want to do.
Catch it on it.
Yeah,
You can do
catch
picture.
fear.
Yeah.
Alright, right now we're hanging out in Falmouth, Trelawny with Jamaica Spider-Man. You're talking to Chef Amber. And at Amber's, we say the food is nice and the price is right. Yeah, man.
Alright, me I get the yam tune. A Trelawny yam tune.
I give yam tune.
Yo,
Alright,
tell Manchester yam to retire. Come on market and them now make a dollar.
Yeah.
Trelawny yam the people them a follow what
Yeah.
they say man are the only yam shoe and come here.
Hey, wait,
Voila. Yo, Manchester yam to retire.
Yeah.
Come on market and them now make a dollar. Trelawny yam the people them a follow what they say man are the only yam shoe and Trelawny yam shoe and yo, hey, let me have them so very special. Spider-Man, me have them so very special.
Yeah. Big up yourself. Alright, big up yourself. Yeah?
Hey, Spider-Man.
Alright. We get it later.
Hey, Spider-Man.
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Yo,
Hey, you get to your time for shine, you know. Me give you your time for shine, you know. Alright, come. You get your time for shine, man. Come here. Hey! Hey! I didn't see you. How you doing? Yeah, I'm good. I'm passing by. Yeah? Alright, cool. Hey, guys, when you're ready? First of all, we are making cameraman get a piece. Let's show you how skilly cameraman is. Well, me I turn the cameraman right now. Watch out. Let's show you how the cameraman skill. Oh, say, a professional, you know. I retire, dog. Retire, one, retire, you know. Watch out. Ready, cameraman, guys. Look. Go over some more. Yeah. 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 Easy. Easy, cameraman. Watch it. Hey. See that, people? Easy now, man. Hello. What's up? Want a box 6? Ready? Jamaica, stop. Hey. Got it? Yeah, all right. Come in, y'all. We have to go. We move. Guys, mackerel. I want them the mackerel in there. We love mackerel in there. Mackerel in there. No mackerel in there. No mackerel in there. Nothing in there. An empty can, guys. An empty can. In a reel. Alright, we're going for a final stop. Yay! Do it and let me see. You're a joker, man. You're a joker. Hey, oh God. Want to play? You ready? Ready now? Make your boss wait, you know. Make your boss wait, you know. Make your boss wait, you know. Make you wait, you know. Make you lick me down. Easy. All right, make him go on. That all the cameraman skill, you know, what's it? One hand. Oh, skills for days. Jamaican spider, Anansi-Man. No, Anansi-Man. Yes. Same thing. I love your phone. Oh shit, go. Come here. Ready? Look in the gap. Yeah? Alright. Yeah. This is my final stop. No, I didn't hear you, sorry. Sorry, I didn't hear you. Hello. You want bus bad flick? Tell me when you're ready, you know. Yeah. Yeah. You know me feel, you feel that? Yeah, that call me. Yeah, that call me, I'm gone home. That is it. Falmouth. That is the end of Falmouth. Next stop, Montego Bay. Let's go. Type in the chat, did you enjoy the live stream? Type in the chat and let me know. Alright. Done, me done. Woo! Burn some calories, man. Easy, man, easy. Rich badness, watch out. See rich dude them, what you know, outside. Insurance, insurance. Okay, man, anyway. Yeah. About 100 flick with the friend here. What do you mean, man? You have to stop at some point. Eh, oh. Alright, the last flick this now. Hey, you see that? Okay. I eat that. Woo! Nasa. Listen to me. People, I can't do this. Oh God. I'm trying to stop flip. I'm trying to stop doing flips. And I just continue. Oh my God, it's some hard work. Being Spider-Man is hard, guys. Woo! Being Spider-Man is not easy. Oh my God, let's go. My boss. I can give you guys an announcement. I'll be on TV, I think Monday. Yeah, I'll give you more information when I get the information. Zane, I'm tired. So stay tuned. Make sure you follow the page so I can give you the live updates, yeah? Next stop, Montego Bay. St. James. Next stop, St. James. Oh my God, I'm running out of voice. My voice gone. My voice gone, guys. Oh my God. This is way harder than it looks. Can I tell you, being Spider-Man is not an easy thing. Oh God. You hear me just say? What me just say a while ago? You hear that? No. Acha. I last one that. I hope me not do no more flick. I'm sure me do more than 100 flick already. I'm tired, I know. Huh? 2 more. 2 more now, I'm done. The boss, you know. Ready? Done, me done. Yeah. Oh God. Last one. Never slide. Can't slide on the last one in your match. Ready? Yeah. Active. I'm done. Yeah. Woo. Tired for real, man. Oh God. Guys, tap the screen. Support the live. This harder than it look, guys. You run out of breath. Woo. Yes, sir. I'm doing good. I'm ending my journey now. I did over 100 flips a while ago, you know, man. Yeah, over 100 flips. Yeah, I've been flipping for like 2 hours in the town.
Come on, you gotta give me a picture of Spider-Man. Yeah, man. Spider-Man.
Yeah.
The light is that way.
Hey. Real cameraman. Hey. Professional pictures.
Yeah, man. Respect.
Big up,
bro.
yeah?
Respect,
Yeah, man. Yeah?
Come on.
You don't have to. I guess it's okay. Can pose right as a man. Can't stay so man. Can't move. Just go right there so man. I mean. Yeah. Yeah, this is the phone. I think this is the phone. Yeah, nice.
Alright,
Yeah, man.
you next, right?
Okay. Woo! Me tall, I'm too. Not rear, you know.
I saw this dude
Not
on,
rear.
I saw this dude on IG, yo.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, clean.
One more.
Nice. Bless you, boss.
What's the,
Yeah?
what's the hashtag?
It's Anansi-Man.
Huh?
Anansi-Man is it? Yeah.
On Instagram?
You want me to climb the building? Oh my god. Yeah, it's Anansi-Man on anything. Yeah. A-N-A-N. S-I. And man.
Join together?
Yeah. 30. You should see it. Alright guys, that is the end of the Falmouth tour. Next stop is Montego Bay, so I will see you soon. Remember to like, subscribe and share the channel. Big up everybody.